pineapple fiber or cotton fiber. Welcome to Vietnam Eco Fiber Channel. Today we will explore the difference between pineapple fiber and cotton fiber. What are the advantages and disadvantages of two fibers? Pineapple fiber and cotton fiber are two popular natural fibers used in the textile industry. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages, making them suitable for different purposes. Here is a detailed comparison of the two fibers. If you want to protect the environment and use sustainable products, pineapple fiber is a better choice. You also blend cotton fiber and pineapple fiber to optimize the advantages and disadvantages of these two fibers while contributing to environmental protection. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it valuable, don't forget to subscribe and like the video to support the channel and motivate us to provide more valuable information.